Hi, I'm Matthew Haviland with Keller Williams Realty Atlantic Shore and the Prompt team. Today, I'm here on site at one of the most exciting new communities at the Jersey Shore. It's Stone Harbor Lakes in Cape May Courthouse, New Jersey. Built by NV Homes, this exclusive neighborhood features just 19 estate-style single-family homes located within the beautiful Stone Harbor Golf Club, and the location just 5 miles from Stone Harbor Beach and the vibrant shops and restaurants along 96th Street. Whether you're looking for a year-round residence or a resort-style second home, Stone Harbor Lakes offers the perfect blend of luxury, low-maintenance living, and coastal lifestyle. Let's take a tour of the community, walk some of the available home sites, and introduce you to the stunning home models that you can build right here. Stone Harbor Lakes is built for resort-style coastal living with planned amenities that make every day feel like a getaway. Homeowners will enjoy a private clubhouse, fitness center, outdoor pool, walking trails, and even a dedicated pickleball court. Perfect for staying active and enjoying the sport that's growing in popularity, especially among active adults. All of this is nestled within the picturesque Stone Harbor Golf Club, offering peaceful surroundings and an upscale lifestyle just minutes from the beach. Whether you're hosting guests, staying fit, or relaxing in nature, Stone Harbor Lakes delivers the lifestyle you've been dreaming of. Hey, real quick, if you're enjoying this video and want expert guidance through the home buying or home selling process, especially for new construction, I'd love to be your resource. I'm a senior real estate specialist with 20 years of experience, and I specialize in helping people find the right home, whether it's full-time living, downsizing, or investing in a second home at the shore. My mission is to help people achieve the highest quality of life through buying and selling real estate. And that means being your advocate from the first showing to closing day and beyond. So if you're thinking about making a move, let's talk. You can reach me at promptagents.com/YouTube to get started. Now let's get back to the models. Let's take a closer look at the beautiful home models available in this community. The Ferndale is the first model I want to talk about. Starting at $899,990, the Ferndale is perfect for those who want main level living with plenty of space to host friends and family. This home features a 2-car garage with select lots allowing a 3-car option. There's a spacious great room, a gourmet kitchen, an oversized island that overlooks the dining area and backyard. The first floor owner suite includes a luxurious dual vanity bath and large walk-in closet. A private study near the foyer is perfect for working at home. Upstairs, there's plenty of space with 2 to 3 additional ensuite bathrooms. There's a loft for casual living or games, and an optional bonus room that can serve as a guest suite, a media room, or additional storage. The Kingston model, starting at $979,990, the Kingston was designed for elegant one-level living. You'll walk into a bright open layout with a coffered ceiling great room and a modern quartz island kitchen that opens into the dining area. 2 guest bedrooms are connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom, making it perfect for grandkids, friends, or guests. The owner suite is a retreat of its own, with a spa-like bathroom and a massive walk-in closet. And don't miss the covered porch off the dining room. It's perfect for morning coffee or sunset cocktails. The Monterey, starting at $999,999. The Monterey, sophistication, smart design. Step inside and you're greeted by a covered porch, open foyer, and a flexible space that could be your study, your music room, or den. The main level living offers 2 spacious bedrooms, including a luxury owner suite with dual vanities and a walk-in closet. The kitchen's oversized island is the focal point, opening into a wide family room and dining area, a perfect entertaining space. Upstairs, a versatile loft leads to 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath, plus extra storage space. With the option for a 3-car garage, the Monterey is as practical as it is beautiful. The Santorini model, starting at $1,149,990, the Santorini is the largest and most luxurious floor plan available at Stone Harbor Lakes. Step into the grand foyer and you'll find a formal dining room, flexible front room, and a tucked-away open home office for privacy and productivity. The centerpiece of the home is the 2-story family room, connected to a gourmet kitchen with a huge center island. It's perfect for prepping meals while staying part of the conversation. The first floor owner suite features 2 enormous walk-in closets and a spa-like bath with dual vanities. Upstairs are 3 additional bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bath and walk-in closet, offering privacy and comfort for all. Optional outdoor living spaces like a covered porch make this home a true standout. All right, so now we're out here on the site of the new construction homes. There'll be about 19 single-family homes in this section, and all of these homes are backing up to the golf course. So some of these are going to have some really beautiful views here. I'm going to show you around some of these available lots. Okay, so all of these, you can kind of see right beyond that tree line there is the golf course. And on the other side of the street, also golf course, but a little thicker wooded buffer area. This is site number 108. See the golf course right there ahead of us. Site number 93 over here. I'm gonna go through these a little quicker. We got 107 on this side. One of the great things about this community is living right here on the Stone Harbor Golf Club. Incredible golf course views with these new single family homes going up. So awesome opportunity right here. Now let's take a look at some of the available home sites here at Stone Harbor Lakes. Each lot offers something special, from golf course views to wooded privacy to room for a 3-car garage, depending on the model. There are only 19 homes in the entire community, so every lot is limited and highly desirable. And if you've been waiting for the perfect location at the shore, this could be it. Thanks so much for joining me today at this on-site tour of Stone Harbor Lakes by NV Homes. If you're looking for luxury, coastal living, close to the beach, with low maintenance and resort style amenities, this community might be for you. This community is a rare opportunity you don't want to miss. And be sure to check out my in-depth model overview video and virtual tours. I'm going to link at the end of this video for a closer look at each of the floor plans and the different home style options. If you'd like to schedule a tour or learn more, reach out to me directly at promptagents.com/YouTube. And don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions. And I'm Matthew Haviland with the Prompt team at Keller Williams Realty Atlantic Shore, helping you find the perfect place to live the life you love. And I'll see you in the next video.